In this video, I'll teach you how to play the scales with both hands. In the previous video, I have already taught you the scales with one octave and two octaves. But in this one, I'm going to teach the scales with one octave with both hands. So we'll start. So this is the first scale. I'll repeat one more time. Next scale is D major scale. Next scale will be F major scale. Next, the last scale, G major scale.